Why nylon is a smart choice for CNC prototypes. Nylon is a versatile material widely used for CNC machining prototypes due to its durability, chemical resistance, and cost-effectiveness. This infographic highlights why nylon is ideal for CNC machining and other applications. Durable and strong. Nylon offers high mechanical strength, making it ideal for functional CNC prototypes. Wear and chemical resistant. Performs well against friction, moisture, and chemicals, ensuring longevity. Lightweight and cost-effective. Provides a great strength-to-weight ratio at a lower cost than metals. Precision machinability. Easily shaped with CNC machines for accurate and detailed prototypes. Versatile applications. Enhance used in automotive, aerospace, medical, and industrial equipment manufacturing. Your CNC prototypes with high-quality nylon solutions. Contact Johnston Plastics today for reliable and efficient CNC machining materials. Thank you for watching.